In this video, I'll show you how to fix lagging and stuttering in Fortnite. Now first what you want to do is come up here, go to your settings, make sure you're in full screen. I'm just using Windows as an example so I can show you guys, but make sure you're in full screen. Go to VSync and turn it off. Rendering mode, go on performance. Now after this what you want to do is come down here, find quality preset and make sure it's on low. Once you've done that, you can head over here, scroll down until you find the replays and make sure you turn this one off, just like that. Now after you've done all of that, what you can do is you can update your GPU and your network. So simply just close down Fortnite, search for device manager. In here we want to find our GPU, which is display adapters. In here right click and update. And after that you want to find your network adapters and do the exact same. If you don't know which one is yours, you can just right click and update all of them, but this is mine. And from in here what you want to do is right click on your desktop screen, display settings. In here you want to scroll down and click on graphic settings. Once you're in here, make sure you have hardware accelerated GPU on, just like this. And another thing you can do is come down here and search for startup apps. Open up this one and disable everything that you don't want to automatically start up when you launch your PC. So just turn everything off in here that you don't really use or don't need, like Microsoft Edge and stuff like that. And once you've done that, what you can do is search for game mode. Game mode. Open up game mode, make sure it's on. Go to game bar and make sure it's off. After that you can search down here for Windows. Check if you have a Windows update and take it. If you have one, you can click here and search for the updates. And as the last thing, what we want to try is we want to find our Fortnite. So head over to your PC. My Fortnite is on the D drive under Epic Games. Yours is most likely on your C drive, but if you have more and you know you installed it on the D drive, just head over there. Epic Games, Fortnite, Fortnite game, binaries, Windows 64. And despite this one called the Fortnite launcher, the real Fortnite launcher is actually Fortnite client, Windows 64 shipping.exe. So right click on it, properties, compatibility, activate disable full screen optimizations, click change high DPI settings, check this one, application, OK, and apply. Now that's everything that you can try, guys. If it's still not working, you can simply try and reinstall Fortnite and see if that works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.